What if I told you that financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about being free? Free from alarms, free from bosses, free from fear. But here's the truth. The system isn't designed to set you free. It's built to keep you comfortable, just enough so you never leave. Today I'll show you how to break out step by step with a plan anyone can follow. No trust fund, no lottery, no luck. The wake-up call. When I was 16, my teacher told me I'd never make it. I dropped out, got a job sanding furniture for $2 an hour. Every morning smelled like sawdust and defeat. My life wasn't mine. It was rented out by the hour. But one day I asked myself a simple question. If I keep living like this, where will I be in 10 years? The answer hit me hard, exactly where I was. That was my breaking point. Defining freedom. Freedom starts with a number, your freedom figure. This isn't how much money you want, it's how much money you need to live without working again. Add up your ideal yearly lifestyle, rent, food, travel, health, fun. Let's say it totals $70,000. Now multiply that by 25, that's $1.75 million, your financial independence target. This number represents the point where your investments earn enough every year to cover your costs, forever. That's not fantasy, that's math. Building the engine, how to reach it. So how do you get there? By building your money engine, piece by piece. It starts with income, gets boosted by efficiency, and sustains through investments. Let's break it down. Build a simple investment habit. You don't need millions to start investing, you just need momentum. If you invest $500 a month into a broad market index like the S&P 500 with an average return of 10%, in 20 years, you'd have over $380,000. Not from gambling, but from compounding. Time-lapse clock, bar graph grows over years, text overlay, $500 a month, $380,000 in 20 years. Set up automatic investments using platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Trading 212. It's called dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. The key isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Hack your lifestyle without sacrifice. The secret to wealth isn't earning more, it's keeping more. Start by identifying what I call money leaks. Subscriptions you forgot, overpriced brands, or that shiny new car loan can drain your finances without you realizing. Did you know the average new car payment in 2025 is nearly $800 a month? That's almost $10,000 a year vanishing into depreciation. Consider buying reliable used cars instead of falling into the trap of expensive loans just to impress others. Cook more at home, stream less, and track every expense for 30 days. You'll be shocked how much you waste on autopilot. Every dollar saved isn't just money in the bank. It's a soldier in your freedom army that helps you move closer to financial independence. Master credit, your hidden weapon. Credit isn't evil, it's leverage. Use it smartly and you save thousands in interest. Misuse it and it traps you for life. Pay balances in full every month and keep your utilization under 30%. A great credit score means lower loan rates, cheaper insurance, and more financial trust from lenders. Managing your credit wisely is one of the fastest ways to save money and build the foundation for future opportunities. Build multiple income streams. Imagine your income as a table. With one leg, your job, it's shaky. Add more legs. Freelancing, digital products, investing, real estate. That's stability, that's security. Start small. Even $200 a month from a side hustle adds up. That's $2,400 a year from just a $200 monthly side hustle. Invest that consistently and your freedom accelerates. Think long-term. Starting small is better than not starting at all. Begin today and let time do the heavy lifting. Let money work. Don't let it sleep. When your income grows, don't inflate your lifestyle. The middle class spends raises on upgrades. The wealthy use raises to buy assets. Invest in things that pay you back. Stocks, index funds, or real estate. Even $100 a week invested early can become 6 figures. Avoid lifestyle inflation, where money flows into gadgets instead of assets. Focus on compounding your savings so your wealth continues to grow in the background, bringing you closer to financial independence. The wealth mindset. Financial freedom isn't a number, it's a mindset. It's about waking up and realizing your time is the most valuable currency you own. Say no to things that look rich but make you poor, and play the long game. The moment you stop spending to impress others is the moment you start building for yourself. Shift your focus from impressing the crowd to making choices that ensure your financial and personal freedom in the future. The blueprint recap. Let's bring it all together. Define your freedom figure, the exact number that buys your independence. Automate investing. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Hack your expenses. Cut leaks, not joy. Build credit as leverage. Add income streams. Protect yourself from one paycheck. Reinvest your gains. Let money multiply. Animated checklist appears beside each point. Transitions through matching B-roll. The freedom choice. You don't need luck. You don't need rich parents. You just need consistency. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, every skill you learn is another brick in your freedom foundation. I started with $2 an hour, not a lot, but I built something priceless. Control. Control over my time, my choices, my future, and you can too. If you want to learn exactly how to open your first investment account and automate your path to wealth, watch the next video right here. And if you're serious about building your financial future, subscribe now, because this journey is just beginning.